Another really important benefit of xanthohumol is that it helps the body maintain a healthy cholesterol level, just generically. It helps the body maintain, and I'm repeating myself, but it bears repeating, a healthy blood sugar level and a healthy insulin level. It also prevents the elevation or the rise of triglycerides, and that also plays an important role in cardiovascular disease, which leads into another great feature of xanthohumol. Elevation of triglycerides in the body, which comes about by eating too much carbohydrates. If your body eats more carbohydrates than it needs for the metabolic energy that your body needs to stay tuned and healthy at a present time, it converts the excess carbohydrates into triglycerides, which are deposited as fat in the body. But elevated triglycerides seems to prevent the leptin, which is a hormonal substance produced by the body, which tells our brains that we're full after we eat. You know, a lot of people will just sit and eat and eat and eat. Their leptins very often are out of balance. And elevated triglyceride prevents leptin from doing what it's supposed to do in the brain. So by controlling triglycerides and keeping your triglycerides lower, the leptin seems to be able to experimentally be able to tell the brain that we're satiated to stop us from eating. So it plays a profound role in our eating behavior and in obesity. So xanthohumol also plays a role in weight control and obesity. Number one, by controlling the triglycerides. Number two, xanthohumol has an affinity for brain cells that produce GABA or GABA, which is an inhibitory neurotransmitter, which actually has been found experimentally to control the brown fat metabolism, which is responsible for metabolic activity of fat all over the body. So xanthohumol may play a role in the metabolic control of brown fat. Xanthohumol also plays a role in what's called adipogenesis, in other words, the genesis of fat cells. Keeps the fat cells from filling up with fat by its metabolic activity. So it has three major areas that it can play a role in our overall body weight, balance, and overall well-being. A side effect of this, also of the xanthohumol, an important feature of xanthohumol, which may play a role, is that it allows people to relax. Hops are known to be people take hops to help relax themselves. Relaxing your body also allows a person to experience more restful sleep. And by experiencing restful sleep, recent experimental evidence has showed that if people get restful sleep, they're more likely to lose excess weight than if they're having sleep problems. So the xanthohumol will affect weight control, probably through the sleep mechanism by allowing people to relax, reduce stress, and go to sleep. And which leads to another area, that the xanthohumol, because it allows somebody to relax and to de-stress and to get restful sleep, also enhances a person's overall energy.
Sure.
And sense of well-being. Mm-hmm. And it also helps a person's mood. People tend to feel less moody, tend to have less emotional fluctuation, because overall they're feeling better. Mm-hmm. and they feel less stressed. So xanthohumol does aid in this, and this has been shown experimentally to be the case.